friends! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much dahil nanonood kayo ng video ko ngayon. Makikita nyo na nag-try ako magbasa pero hindi ko nagawa. Anyway, naging productive naman ako. So without further ado, let's proceed with the video itself. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a good day because I do. I was given a cell phone by Mark, my sweetheart. It's not just an ordinary cell phone, but it's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you so much, Mark. I am currently using an iPhone 6 for my vlog, and I do believe na yung difference ng camera ng iPhone 6 sa iPhone 12 ay mas maganda. Kaya, ayun, very supportive. Thank you so much, Olet. And yeah, let's proceed with the unboxing of iPhone 12. Hindi pala kailangan ng cutter. Nag-prepare pa naman ako ng cutter. Anyway, oh my god, I can't believe it. It's so amazing. So yun guys, plano ko talaga manood ng The Shining and Doctor Sleep, and then magbabasa ako ng The Shining ni Stephen King, pero I think the plans change kasi I'm gonna enjoy my cell phone first. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna go watch the movie and read the book. I'm gonna update you later. Guys, I guess hindi muna kami makakanood ng The Shining at ng Doctor Sleep ni Zion kasi umuwi yung lola niya from the US and pupuntahan muna namin siya. Pag uwi namin ng hapon, saka kami manonood. So I guess that sets the ambience, if you know what I mean. So yeah, bye-bye muna. Bye! friends, change of plans kasi matutulog kami ngayon sa bayan, sa bahay ng lola ni Zion kasi nag-invite siya na doon kami matulog. Kaya ayun, it's time to pack my things and then pupunta na ulit kami doon sa Burgos. So what do I bring when I'm having a sleepover? Essentials, pantulog, basic t-shirt, and then pantulog ni Sayon, pantulog ko. And then moisturizer. Yes, I am a fan of micellar water, lotion, and moisturizer. I cannot live without moisturizers and cleansers. And then some comb and bun. And of course, my Kindle Paperwhite for reading, iPad, for browsing, and then my portable keyboards too, because I have two iPads, so two portable keyboards, and Nintendo Switch, earbuds, and of course lots of chargers. I cannot live without tea, so I think I'm gonna get 6 pieces of tea bags. Better sobra than kulang. Yeah. Bye! Ayun, so natapos namin ng pamangkin ko yung Doctor Sleep. Hindi namin pinanood yung The Shining kasi ayaw niya, wala daw first person point of view yung movie. Which is true kasi 1980s pa pinablish yung The Shining. Kaya ayun, nag-switch kami sa Doctor Sleep, which is okay rin naman. Hindi masyadong nakakatakot yung movie to think na almost 1 a.m. na kami natapos manood. It's very interesting because it's highly psychological. What are you gonna do if you have something that others don't have? Are you gonna hide it or are you gonna show it to the world? And na-touch din dito yung desire for immortality, which is so good, which is stunning actually. And ang daming dialogues which strikes me hard. That's why I cannot wait to read the book itself. But hindi ko na siya isasama dito sa video. So, this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!